Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, we talk about everything fashion, travel, and we also do cool product reviews. Today's video, I am going to review granny panties. At first, when I got this request from one of my subscribers, I thought that it would be a little weird, awkward, and maybe even embarrassing. But this is an important topic. Having comfortable underwear can be very flattering and supportive. Also, it can actually build your confidence and make you feel more secure. Granny panties are a part of your self care. Having undergarments that prevent moisture buildup lowers the chances of bacterial infections and yeast infections. I am not a medical professional, so please advise with your medical professional. But these are just my thoughts and opinions, and I want to share this because I'm sure there are a lot of women who don't understand the important benefits of granny panties. And they don't have to look unattractive. There are a lot of sets that I found here at Walmart that had a matching bralette that was actually kind of cute and trendy. So, stay along, watch the full video, like, share, comment, subscribe, and drop in the comments other places that you shop for your granny panties. I hate that nickname for this, but hey, it's whatever. Stick around and watch the full video. Thank you. Hey Glam Crew, welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into this granny panty try on haul and review. First, I want to start by telling you all granny panties provide an excellent all day comfort. You don't get a lot of wedgies, and it actually smooths out your silhouette. The granny panties that I do have, they are a bit unattractive, but they work, especially when it's that monthly time for my menstrual cycle and I'm just feeling bloated. Yeah, these are my go-to panties. I'm comfortable around the house. I have extra room to wear my personal hygiene products, and I don't have to worry about my panties riding up and just very, very comfortable feeling. Now, this first set from Vanity Fair that I'm going to try on, they do seem a bit plain and a bit unfashionable and are really the original OG granny panties, okay? However, there are a lot of practical granny panties in Walmart that have matching sets. Stay tuned. I will show you those matching sets with the little bralette and different styles. You have to find what is comfortable for you and what makes you feel confident and what is in your budget. Because believe it or not, this little 3-pack, I believe, was $16. Yeah, 3-pack of granny panties for $16. Now, as you can see here, it is very smoothing in the back. You got full coverage. So if you have to wear those overnight, we'll leave it at that, overnight products that are big and bulky, you are going to be comfortable and they are going to stay in place. After having my baby, I needed something that would be comfortable, and these were it. Now, I do recommend sizing up, especially if you have extra wide hips or some extra junk in the trunk back there. This particular style right here does stretch. So if you got mommy tummy or extra bloated, they are going to fit and not be tight on your waist. And that's one thing I love about granny panties. They're not tight and you're not going to be constricted by tight lining and things that just prevent you from moving comfortably and painful pinching. You're not going to have to deal with that. Size up, you're going to be okay. You're just going to be lounging around, chilling out, giving your body time to detox, heal, and relax. Now, y'all know I had to get my little thumbnail in right here. Let's see. This set right here has this cute little, I think these are hearts or maybe cherries. When I first pulled them off the little hanger, I said, ooh, these are some big mama jamas. Big mama jamas. But they are soft. They feel really good. And I'm sure they will feel really good on my skin, but I'm going to keep my undergarments on and put this over and see how it fits. I do like the wide band. Gives extra flexibility, and it has this nice little button up design on it. They don't actually button, it's just a little design to make it more stylish and trendy. Now these boy short style were a little tight on my thighs. I have bigger thighs. You got full coverage back there. Cute little design. It doesn't look like too old school. These are a very fashionable pair of granny panties. Let me know in the comments what you think and what other styles should I try. Now this little bralette, I love that it came with a bralette. This doesn't make me feel so unattractive because, to be honest, when we're going through that monthly time of the month, pregnancy, postpartum, even for plastic surgery, y'all, like granny panties was my best friend. Okay? They were my best friend. I was comfortable. You need something that is all about comfort. So having this little two-piece set with this little design, this soft plush pink, I guess we can call it. Yeah, I definitely love this set. Definitely go out and try it. And Walmart in the store, they had up to a 3X. Well, my particular Walmart, I saw a 3X. I am trying on a 2X slash size 9. But I even think because of my hips, I would go up to that 3X just to give myself that extra comfort and extra room back there. The bralette even has adjustable straps. This pair is extra stretchy as well as the 3-pack. Now the 3-pack, they're all the same thing, just different colors. Walmart did offer a black, tan, and white pack. They had navy blue, brown, and white. I love that each set came with like a white pair. And I get it if you don't want to mess up a pair of your undergarments. So yeah, I get it. But these granny panties are going to give you that extra support so that your personal hygiene products that you have to use in that area, keeping healthy, keeping your self-care up, yes, you're going to have space. Now, I saw this red set with a pair of bottoms that matched and also that bra set. And that bra had padding and underwire on it. I didn't get to try it on because I only saw up to a large in the bra. And I'm just like, I don't think I'm going to fit this. So it's no point of even trying to embarrass myself like that because I just feel like it would have been way too small. Now, let's try on this little tan pair. You see the granny panties that I have on? These are so old at that. I found them at Ross, the black pair. I have to cut the sides because like they were too tight and pinching me on the side. Now, when I lift up this tan pair, it actually give me like support on my glutes. Yes, it's actually lifting them a little bit and shaping. Now you can see my regular granny panties under here. That panty line thick. But with the tan pair, I don't think the panty line would show that much. It's like right under the cheeks. Yeah, it's right under there. So you can easily conceal these granny panties And your feminine hygiene products can, be concealed too. It won't look like you're wearing a diaper. They are high waisted, so if you are bloated or if you're wearing this after, your baby or surgery and you just got extra fluids, you're all of that tummy is gonna be up in there. Them back rows gonna be up in there. You're gonna be looking good, sister. Love on yourself. Appreciate yourself. You are beautiful. It doesn't even matter what you have on. If you feel it inside, you're beautiful. Guess what? You are beautiful. This tan pair has a lining. Actually, not even just the tan pair. That whole 3-pack had a lining in it. And my ladies, this extra little lining right here. If you give a little squirt when you chuckle, ha ha ha, or you cough, yeah, that little lining is going to be there to help you out. I hope you all found this video informational. Drop in the comments any questions or concerns you may have, or any other tips for anybody reading. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.